Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read now. Let's go a little deeper today, Leo. Let's see how you're doing, how your partner's doing, and what are the energies that are aligning between the two of you now. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you out there, so please take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my lions and lionesses, my Leo gang, and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life. Thank you. So, Leo, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading. So, we can top it with that and then start your tarot. So, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or message for Leo. This one. All right. Let's keep this card here, Leo. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Leo, is healing. So, are you healing from some heartbreak, Leo? If you are, please know your angels are right behind you. Or if there is maybe healing is coming into a new connection, I don't know. Let's just put it here and see why you're needing this healing in your love life now. So, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. All the support that you're sending, your likes, your love, your comments. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And for the duration of the reading, Leo, I will be referring them as person A and person B. You will know which side you resonate best with, right? And yes, if any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And bottom of my spread, I have the Knight of Pentacles. So there could be very slow movement from what I see, Leo, in your love life. Maybe things have stagnated at the moment. Maybe you're hoping to start a new relationship and it could be going slow, or you maybe want to take it slow and steady. So let's open the cards and find out. The Fool, Knight of Cups, Justice, Queen of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the Knight of Wands. All right. Person B, the Hermit, Queen of Wands, Star, Page of Cups, the Magician, and the Four of Wands. So, Leo, from what I see here, somebody doesn't want to be made into a fool. They don't want to trust anyone who can, promise them things that they'll never keep. They feel this can turn out to be maybe a imbalanced relationship. Person A, whoever person A is, has some trust issues here, I think. They want something which will flow, something that will, kind of go with the flow of life and show them first that it really means business, instead of having an in and out kind of an energy who's going to come bring in passion. So I think this person has some trust issues here. Of course, I'll clarify these cards. Let's see person B. Overall, what do I see? I feel this person wants to come out of hermit mode. They know that their partner is a little upset with them, but they do see this person in a very good light. They are being a little bit of a trickster here by not offering, or there is some kind of trickery going on here. I don't know what this is all about, Leo. I'll know better once I clarify the cards. But yes, this person is kind of, they know that they know they want to come out of hermit mode, but let's see. Okay, so let's take some dialogue message cards. Let's start with the feminine. What would the feminine like to say to their person spirit, if they could, at this stage? Feminine to the masculine. Feminine to the masculine spirit. Okay, thank you. And the masculine to the feminine here. And let's take a few from here, take some true confessions as well. One more. Thank you. All right, the first card that hit my eye was this one, Leo. It says losing hope in this connection. Masculine says, I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. What? I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. It felt suffocating sometimes. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. I pray for you all the time and do healing work on your behalf. I put you on a pedestal and made myself small. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. So people are losing hope in this connection. I think there's a bit of misunderstandings which are going on. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. I keep reading our old text messages. You're the most beautiful creature I have ever seen. All right, so if that's kind of resonates with your story, Leo, let's start with your cards and start with person A. Why does person A spirit feel like the Fool in reverse? Fool in reverse. They feel somebody is not making a choice. They are kind of not making a decision on them. They're not choosing one. They feel maybe their partner is keeping their options open and they don't want to be in a situation where they can be fooled. Okay? They feel that whatever this person is saying are all promises which are going to be broken sooner than later, with the Knight of Cups in reverse. Knight of Cups in reverse. Yes. I think this person has already been through either, yes, they've, I think, already been through a broken relationship which has hurt them very, very badly, right? A broken relationship which has hurt them really badly. And what person A is looking for is emotional happiness. They don't want any tricksters around who are going to come and, sing sweet songs and maybe bring them chocolates and then disappear on them. So I think person A is being a little careful here of not being made a fool in this connection. Justice in reverse, spirit. Yes, right now I don't think person A really knows they feel they are confused right now. They're a little fearful also. Sometimes they feel that this person could be loving, could be nice, could be caring. At other times they feel, no, this person is very self-obsessed, maybe a very selfish character, and they're not being able to balance out their emotions as to how they really feel about person B. They feel that lots of secrets here, lots is hidden in the dark. They're not clear about how they truly feel. And I think this person has a lot of trust issues. Queen of Swords in reverse, spirit. Yes, they don't want to lose in love again. They don't want to lose in love again. This person has huge trust issues, Leo. So if this is you not trusting that anyone coming your way is going to do the right thing, not give you justice. Maybe you feel you'll be fooled once again, and don't want to be in that position where once again in love you have to be stressed out and crying and waiting and being miserable. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. Yes, person A doesn't want like secrets. They want everything out in the open, put it on the table. This is what is, this is what isn't, and let's just kind of let the natural flow of life happen naturally, like in a smooth manner. Don't hide things. That's what person A is wanting, but right now they're feeling in the moon energy. They feel, things are really not put out there on the table for me to see. I'm still kind of in my confusion as to, is this person, a selfish, egoistic person, or are they a loving, kind person? Um, Knight of Wands, Spirit? Knight of Wands. Yes, they feel this person only wants to come in, like be in their life for passion and nothing else, is maybe being a player, and this is what person A doesn't want. They feel their partner is only coming in for maybe sex or having a good time, and person A feels that's not what I am looking for. What I am looking for is a balanced relationship between two people. Okay? What I don't want is a third party, or just maybe friends with benefits. I'm not looking for that kind of a relationship. So that's where the relationship is at. I think person A is still confused about whether they want to invest with person B or not, because they are looking for their 10 of cups. They want to be in a connection which actually gives them emotional happiness. So let's see person B. Hermit in reverse, Spirit. Hermit in reverse. Hermit in reverse. Hermit in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands in reverse. Yes, I think there's a bit of misunderstanding here. As much as person B wants to get out of this hermit zone and not be, they want to connect with person A basically, because they feel this can give me a lot of happiness. This can make all my dreams come true. I'm happy with this person, and this person is actually, Leo, coming across as a very stable person. This is not a player. If you're in person A and trying to find out, this person is not a player. This person is a very sensible, solid person who actually does take responsibility for their actions, and they do have a lot of attraction, or they are looking at this Queen of Wands. They find this Queen of Wands very exciting, can give them happiness. They don't want to be away from this Queen of Wands. So, but right now, as the situation is here, Leo, this Queen of Wands, they know, is not taking action towards them. They know that this Queen of Wands feels that they are just an irresponsible person who's a player, and they're very rash, and or maybe something has happened, maybe some conversation has happened which was not that great, and that's kind of ruined this connection as of now, and they are feeling that this Queen of Wands is no longer fighting for me anymore, no longer fighting for the connection anymore. What's the star, Spirit? Star. Star. My God, star is clarified by the star, Leo. Yes, the person B does see person A as their wish fulfillment. They see them as a shining star that they want in their life, who can make them very happy. In fact, they are quite sexually and in every other way, I think, obsessed with this person. Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Page of Cups in reverse. Page of Cups in reverse. This was sideways. One more. Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this person is playing a magician. They are creating illusions, because I think person A makes them that happy that they are trying to pretend here. They're trying to pretend here that, hey, I'm not interested in you. I'm not offering you any love. I'm not coming towards you with any, sweet offer or anything like that. This person is tricking person B. Heart of hearts, they are really holding on till the last thread that I don't want to lose this connection. So whoever person B is, now your secret is out, person B, that you're pretending that you're not interested, but I think underneath it all, you're obsessed with person A. So let's clarify the magician in reverse, spirit. Magician in reverse. Yes, they're pretending. They're pretending, hey, I don't have time to talk to you. I don't have time to message you. And I have other things to do. And I'm walking away. See, look at my back. Stop me before I leave. I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. But this is all an illusion this person is creating. Four of Wands in reverse, spirit. Four of Wands in reverse. Yes, this person wants to be in control. They see themselves as the emperor. They are purposely, I think, stalling progress and not offering anything at the moment. They're playing a magician. One more card, spirit, for the Four of Wands in reverse. Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this, spirit? Why are they doing this? I think they're doing this because they don't want to be in a position right now. Yes, they're not sure right now. Even though they're obsessed with person A, they are very attracted to person A, they are trying to play it a bit cool so that person A is more interested in them than they show that they are in them. Because right now, I think they're a little confused as to what will I have to offer. What will I have to offer? Will I have to offer commitment? Maybe they're not right now in that place or stage of their life where they want to make any movement towards commitment, right? So this person is just trying to play hard to get. That's the thing. Playing hard to get so that, because right now they themselves don't know. They don't know what do I really want with this connection. Do I want, a stable future? Will I have to offer stability? So that's the reason this person is kind of not moving as fast as they want to. They really do want to. If they had their way, look at this. Obsessed, the devil with the star. They know that, what they want. But they're trying to be sensible. I mean, I don't see this emperor as the emperor in reverse who's, calculating and rude and mean and trying to be a boss. Nothing. Emperor in upright is actually a very sensible person, very in control person. So I have two cards suggesting that this person is actually a nice person. They just want to do the right thing. They don't want, the only reason they're playing a trickster is because they don't want to give false hope, maybe. They don't want to break somebody's heart later. So till they are not sure, they are playing a little hard to get here. But this person is a very balanced human being. They are stable. They take care of their own. Nothing to worry about here. That's the reason this relationship is at a bit of a standstill. So let's see what your mutual energies are. Devil in reverse, Ace of Cups. Now the Emperor is in reverse. So just when I started giving so many compliments to the Emperor. Oops. What's this Emperor, Devil in reverse, spirit? Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse. Ace of Cups. And the Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse, spirit. Emperor in reverse. I think Empress is in reverse as well here, Leo. I think if this is not spoken about immediately or clarity comes to this situation, I have a feeling that this can end up to be just a friendship. Somebody may just not be interested. By the time I think somebody does speak their truth, somebody may just be not interested in accepting this love offer. It may be just too late. That's what I'm trying to say. If this communication of being together or whatever is not done, if this toxicity is not, this fear or whatever it is not spoken about immediately, there could be somebody from somebody's past that can return. And this person may not be interested in accepting this connection. I think somebody here prefers to be single and working on their own. There could be competition coming. I'm just giving you a heads up, person B. There could be some kind of competition coming where this person may be pulled between two directions here. And whoever the emperor is here on person B's side may just lose control of this connection. So just be a little mindful. Anything else, Spirit? Am I correct here? Anything else? Yes, it may end up leaving somebody out in the cold. Somebody is going to get left behind here, Leo. So I guess it's a now or never situation. If this game goes on for too long, if communication is not had on time, there could be somebody from the past returning either to person A's side or person B's side, and this could end up just being a friendship. Maybe by the time somebody does manage to have this communication, the other person may be at crossroads and no longer wanting to accept this love offer. So yes, that's all I have for you, Leo. The time is now if you want to kind of get your person, and if not, it's all right. There will be many more to come. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.